are using social media to reach out to the younger, more tech-savvy generation about drug abuse. A new film series on Tik Tok by the National Council Against Drug Abuse will explore tough questions on drugs. The anti-drug campaign will run for 2 years and aims to spark meaningful conversations and raise awareness on drug use. Lauren Ong tells us more.
Guys, wake up. I need to see someone.
It can be a difficult decision trying to help a loved one who's using drugs.
When are you going to quit selling drugs?
Or calling the authorities on a friend who's selling illegal contraband. The new film series will feature characters with different relationships to drugs. The short films are part of a larger campaign called What's Your Fix, which is targeting youths as a start. The National Council Against Drug Abuse says 60% of new drug users are under 30, and these youths have rising casual attitudes about drugs.
Drug addiction is disastrous for the individual and in fact catastrophic for people around them. I think in the past, the youths are probably less exposed to the internet, and now they get all kinds of information and misinformation from the net. Okay? So they start to think, or they believe that they are thinking for themselves.
I've never been in that company, but I know people growing up where it's so normalized. Recently, I've had friends that I would say, honestly, very scary to see the amount of pills they took at one shot, that kind of thing. And so being on the end of being that friend that's trying to support, right, is really very scary.
24-year-old TikToker Nicole Liu hopes to share such experiences with her audience. By engaging her followers, she hopes to hear about other people's stories. Ms. Liu adds that it's easier to have conversations among her peers. She will be sharing her reactions to the film on her platform. The public can do the same through TikTok challenges or polls. The issue of drug use came into focus recently. Singapore's Olympic gold medalist swimmer Joseph Schooling admitted to consuming cannabis while overseas. The council's vice chairman says he hopes the conversation it has started has a good outcome.
People are becoming more sensitized to the dangers out there, and also to the fact that, as you mentioned, traveling to foreign countries, we just need to be more aware of what might happen if we just let our guard down.
The campaign will see 2 more programs to be rolled out over the next 2 years. NCADA's new campaign is a shift from its older, more paternalistic messaging of saying no to drugs. It wants to engage youths who have more access to the internet and global perspectives. To win the hearts and minds of a new generation, it's allowing them to express their views and empower them to listen and accept other perspectives.